Chibiem na wasemra Adom TV Badwam dwumade so yeda apostle doctor ni ta ekote egwase eni nkranhyensem de adu so no ye Badwam kase sem no ne todwa mu bi ya wobetine electoral commission so mu hiansan trofo ene won mo adwuma eye no eno ne nsem bi na no pay mede bro sa Adom TV Badwam kase faseda mama joy trish on mata de ba ko ne hyeme okwa adomonline.com ansem we ni bebre so yede egu ho Facebook/Adom TV extra na fe YouTube nso ko Adom TV tuber ye wo ho medi de afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de mientie se den 7 chemu ankasa etie electoral commission so ene ehye bo se wo ene oman Ghana centralfo be ye adwuma no krogen e wa afia bato a aka nefuo nkron na ye kwa akotu ensem no ene
at the coalition centers, not to restrict the freedom of the media or to prevent the media from reporting on the election. In any case, if there is any institution that needs the media now, it's the Electoral Commission. I don't know if we need graphic, we need all the major media, even the smaller media houses, we need you. So we want to assure you that the Electoral Commission will not do anything to undermine the work of the media.
In which chairman on the corporate services so electoral commission Professor Bafo Ejimandia and so the same say a piece so
very competitive elections that brings tension and conflict is built into the system in Ghana. So again, I'm throwing it to all of us the need to begin to rethink our governance structure, our political system. Look, if the Americans are doing that and they are there, don't say we have to do it. And that's where the point comes in. We don't have to do what the Americans do, what the British do, what the Scandinavians do. We have to do what Ghanaians must do.
Electoral Commission komono ani egusode ma wo na sabeye na fia bato no ye beto be wie no obia nya ha obia meka so obia wie mu na bana yesenti no won aye ne se wo mu ba befa experta e ba statistics a won ma bini mu konta na akenkan a wo se pepepepepepepe nti sa da no kobo no nan a wo hu sa nipa no wo mu gina ho no wo bo ma kenkan no akoso a e be wie che wo hu se no kranko a na adadi.
The commission has also recruited collation officers. Based on past experience, the commission came to the conclusion that on the day of election, usually even 2 or 3 days to the elections, our returning officers who are in charge of the collation, they will be working on distribution of ballots, a whole lot of things. So, and these are the same people who must do the collation. So the commission decided that let's advertise and bring in people with background in statistics, in mathematics, in actuarials, and people who are very conversant with numbers. So as we speak now, for all the 276 constituencies, there are people we have recruited whose job is to report at the collation center. Usually, we've given them about 4 p.m. The setting up of the place will be done. So their job is to be there around 4 or 5 p.m. And when they come, we expect that they are fresh. They are not people who have been involved in the daily election activity. So they will be able to help us with the collation. However, the announcement of the results and the declaration, the announcement of the presidential results in that constituency, as well as the declaration of the parliamentary results, is the sole responsibility of the returning officer. So the job of the collation officer is to assist the team to be able to do that. So apart
Arahusampa bisi wo axim watoyamantemo bra efie ejato mu nipa miensa de atoyemu hono ano to nananmo nsiedo miensa aka nso yede wo mokọ ayaresabia no ene won to nananmo nsiedo munsem no kase etoso
na wala na mfo dai tije be mu se ajadai ya dam wa ta de twem sa da nse nso be to a pai sa da ni twem sa do twem sa be de mu se ile jaja ajanim na na de es aba fa no si so a fa de mu hu akwano emiye ko na e do manya kwa fi so fosi ana me yaram pie me ba me ta fa me wai so na sa twi ya bon ana nkura so ko yer matata so ta nkura na me se atade ti ama iya nkwa tumo fosi ana so jali na be ko so nkura na me ana bo fi bo ba ma
Ayento Adom TV Badwam kase no eso na mema duonu enum ema mienu ene yesusuo se abetifihne ye nipa bi chi won sie no won nim ho bi eno aye de won kogina adaka mu ama ya ma won bail 20,000 Ghana cedi nipa mienu enye wagina mu
me de pass ene nyankopon adom second court judge a owon price wa ma nkrofonu nyina court bail e kire se emra no eye adwuma se wo ye boni wo Ghana ha ense se obi botuo ense se obi ni okontokwa aprosifo eso duamu a na de obegina aseni bia na court e pensem asem no mu na o mo hwe na se e yade a ese se ye ma bail a na ya ma bail se ne ne court aye no
onipa ono ene kasama ebitifi palace Nana Saka Dakon enso di tudwa se.
Say, obi ku nipa kra etimi man be. Nti I'm not against it. And it's kind of the two on small. Big bond. We are okay with it. We here on a fair trial. That's all.
Sunyane Forest Service ya share Forestry Commission ase e de kokobopa na eme nipa mu bia wo matie si kwaye ni mu bunu ya se omo ani na ho wo so wo mu bia emra no ene won bidi
bia so na episia bonwura na se murante ba wa omo do mo so mo chenso omo ba wa ba pa yi mu mo ko wianua efile sa mensuo ntonti ba bia ka ti bifa anona oba sunya for district ya yenyina kabo mu se yesu be hia de yenhye se ne be ya e be si sa de no kwan ti wo hwa ya ene be hia mu ne doso sunya forest company for any TUC holders ya omo amama any esukase any forest guard TUC holders nyina hia rapid for hia ene hia se ye betu na mo se de ye be ya robokwan no ban na akonfo any abonefo enjibura mu enkose emia ye betu na mo den so abom prempe okwaye ni se ye be ya omo ade bone so mo ko ni omo ntimi nko enti wo gadi ya rapid for no TUC for no forest guard for omo nyina be joint operation day and night say ye be ya obi o ade bone bia bitu si de kwaye tu na mo akokwaye mu ho na obi o to bone bia etimi achino ye chino so a eno court na emra ene naji na me ehunu se e kasa yen sakwa ye de anamon edi kasa ye edie no achi
na wotwi mu na majority leader ora Alexander Fenyomakin de lete ekwo ye se speaker nye na nka wo mamra shebya formra na nsem bi wo hono mu a e wo so wo motena so na enura da speaker nso de nanu ye aba emu nsem ene
Omanfo bekaya enipa bi e wo dom ketwa no akruchi gu nkrata so e de koma ye mrahwebedwum chiame se obesan frɛ ye dom ketwa ne dom kese no na wo mo abesi nkonya wo mrahwebedwum na wei ana mrahwebedwum chiame e de abetudwa se enya ade a dom ketwa no ene dom kese no woni omo bekohia e wo mrahwebedwum wo mo behia gisa abato no akonewie ye wode sansem we atudwa e wo memo bi a wo troye e de koma petitioner dom kese no e tro e de koma no
Mayanyina no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na ha na brema kwan na no pe ye de asie ye da se umre no wadaje abribia wode maye wada worma sa twa ye biem ne mfa de bonkrata no mra na afi yakonya no mra ne a onso kire wadwen ene eka aka na ponkono 9 days ne yakwa akoto aba ebe bie phone lines ne yankomra ye ntwa